Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin here from the Vanderkinverse. Back again, I got another unboxing video. Today it's the Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 3. I had to get that right. Okay, so I got it. I think I got it right, the Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 3. So let's go ahead and open this up. We'll talk a little bit about it. So this thing is a Lenovo Windows tablet. If you watched my videos before, you've seen me open a device pretty similar to this called the Chrome Duet. So this is in a Windows version called the Duet 3. So let's open it up and see what this Windows device is like. So just a little bit about Windows tablets. Here we go, looks nice. Oh, it comes with the pen, which is great. So we're gonna, anything else in here? Some manuals. Okay. So, Windows tablets. So everybody's gonna think about the Microsoft Surface and the Surface Go. So this is probably more similar to the Surface Go, but the really, some things that are really differentiated about this and the Microsoft device is that it comes, you can get it with Windows Pro instead of Windows 10 S on it. So this says full version of Windows 10 Pro on it, which is awesome. Here it is in the box. And the box keeps going, and then here's the other big thing. So it comes with a Bluetooth keyboard, which is totally cool. So we'll talk about that too. So it comes with the pen, with the keyboard, with the tablet, all included in the box. It also has a kickstand, which we're going to see, which I think works like this. Let's see, here's the top. Hopefully we got a kickstand on the bottom, right here. Yeah, so we got a kickstand, which is so cool. We've got this Bluetooth keyboard. Actually, it might not be Bluetooth. Looks like it's got pogo pins. So I might be wrong on that one. I don't want to lead you astray. No, it's got pogo pins, so it's not Bluetooth. So that'll be cool. See how that hooks on. Boing, like that, which looks great. And it comes with the pen, which is super cool. Which looks like the pen uses going to be a AAA battery in here. Sometimes these charge, but this one is going to have a AAA battery. So let's put this back together. Let's go ahead and open up the AC adapter, plug this in, and let's see how it looks. So this also has an option for LTE, which is really cool. So a lot of carriers are going to be interested in having these in their stores or in their retail locations to sell a plan on, which is great for everybody when they're traveling, or even if they're working at home. You know, they've got a always on connected solution for their device. We'll go ahead and plug this in, get it started booting up, and I'll show you some of the ports. So this is my first time seeing this also, so got to bear with me a little bit. Looks like we got the power over here. This device is a Pentium. You can either get it with a Celeron or a Pentium processor. This one's got the Pentium, which is a little bit higher end one. Has 8 gig of memory. It's got 128 gig hard drive in it. And of course, I said it's running Windows 10 Pro. Let's take a look at some of the ports. Oops, sorry about that. Well, we boot it up. So it's got volume rocker, power button, speaker. It's got a back camera and a front camera, and then on this side it's got the audio jack, and this is the either SD card, and if it's a LTE model, you know, of course this is where the SIM would go also, and then the 2 USB-C ports here. So that's all the ports, and then it's got the kickstand. Just on the bottom, of course, is the where you connect the keyboard, and then the kickstand out the bottom, which works really great. And I'm gonna power it on quick. So So of course, it's an unboxing video. You don't get, I'm not going to be able to sample it too much, so maybe it'd be a good idea for me to come back later after I take a look at it. But I think what I really want to cover, I covered, which is that it's a really solid feeling device. Comes with the keyboard, with the pen, which is a real big differentiator. And also it comes with Windows 10 Pro at a pretty good price, around $600. So this is the 3 version. There's also a 7 version of this that you can get, the Duet 7. The Duet 7 comes with the core processors, so Core i3, i5, i7, I think in the Duet 7. So that would compete more, of course, with the Surface Pro from Microsoft. But this one looks good, feels good. It's a great price. It's a full Windows 10 Pro tablet, very functional. Gonna do everything you need it to at a great price. So that's it. Thanks everybody for joining, taking a look at the Duet Pro. After I play with it a while, I'll come back. I'll shoot another quick video and we'll give you an update on how my experience with it. So thanks everybody. Later.